Wait a minute, don't scroll because the universe has chosen you to hear this. There are 3 secret numbers that don't just appear. Numbers that only appear when you are ready for change. If you feel like you are seeing signs over and over again, it is not an accident. This is a message for you. Warning, not everyone should hear this. But if you are in the video right now, there is a reason. At the end of the video, I will admit why exactly you should use the 3rd number and why many people regret not listening. Don't blink. Listen until the end. This might be the beginning of your lucky turn. Not everyone watching this video ended up here by accident. If you are hearing these words right now, there is a reason why the universe brought you here. In Filipino culture, it has long been believed that the universe gives signs sometimes in dreams, sometimes in numbers, and sometimes at the right moment. Numbers are not just numbers. They carry energy, timing, and messages that are only understood by those who are ready to receive them. Many people look at the lottery as luck, but few know that there is a deeper connection between the mind, beliefs, and the universe. In this video, I will not force you to believe. All I will do is show you the signs. You decide if you are ready to listen to this message or just let it pass. Many people ask why numbers? Why not names or words? The answer to this is simple but profound because the universe is the language of energy and numbers are the most peaceful form of energy. Before we could even learn to speak, the world was already spinning to the rhythm of numbers. In Filipino culture, there is a belief that when you see a number repeatedly, the universe wants to tell you something. This is not luck. It is a sign. These numbers have a vibration connected to luck, opportunity, and sometimes money. Lotto is not just a game of chance. It is a meeting of the right time, the right energy, and the right intention. Many bet every day, but only a few win because only a few truly listen to the message of the universe. When your mind is open and your intentions are clear, you become more sensitive to signals. This is where the secret numbers come in. They don't come to people full of doubts, but to people who are ready to receive. If you're still here, this may be the first sign that your energy is aligned with this message. And remember, you don't have to believe it right away. Sometimes just listening is enough because the universe itself will take care of the confirmation. Warning, this part of the video is not for everyone. If you're watching this as a joke or just for fun, it's best to stop now. Because this message only works for people with open minds and clear intentions. The universe doesn't give signals to people who forcefully ask. It also doesn't test those who don't believe. Secret numbers don't work in a hurry, anger, or fear. They work when the mind is calm and the heart is ready to receive. If all you have in mind is how to get rich quickly, this may not be the right time for you. But if you feel like something is missing, as if an opportunity is coming and you are just waiting for the right guidance, this is your signal. Many people have heard this message, but few have truly listened and even fewer have the courage to follow it. So before we continue, ask yourself first. Are you ready to listen even if the answer is not what you expected? If your answer is stay, because from here, the numbers that are not just revealed begin. The first secret number does not just appear. It usually comes to people who have been waiting for change for a long time but have not given up. If you notice it repeatedly peeking into different forms, on receipts, at time, or even in simple things, it is not an accident. This number has the energy of opening doors. It is a symbol of new opportunities, sudden news, and unexpected luck. From the perspective of the universe, this number is connected to the first step, a decision that can change the direction of your financial path. Not everyone should use this number. It works better for people with pure intentions, not those who just want quick results. When used with patience and belief, the timing becomes clearer. It's like opportunity itself is coming to you. In the lottery, this number is not just another number to bet on. It's a reminder from the universe that luck comes when you're ready to receive it. You don't have to force it. You don't have to chase it. You just have to be open. If you experience a strange feeling as you hear it, it may be a sign that you've connected to the first secret. And remember, 2 more will follow, and the third is the most unexpected. The second secret number is quieter but has a deeper impact. It doesn't scream for attention. It appears spontaneously when a person has gone through waiting, disappointment, and almost giving up. Sometimes this is the number that comes when you think luck is not for me anymore. The energy of this number is connected to balance and timing. It reminds you that not all blessings come immediately. Some come at the right time when your mind and heart are ready. In the universe, this number is a sign that events are aligning in your favor even if you don't see it yet. For lottery bettors, the second secret is not about courage but about trust. Trust that even if you don't control everything, there is a higher plan at work behind the scenes. When this number is used with calm intention, your connection to opportunity becomes clearer. Many Filipinos are naturally believers in the right time. This is exactly the message of the second secret. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be afraid of being left behind. If it comes to you, it will come. If you feel like something is aligning as you hear it, it may be a sign that you have entered the energy of the second number. But remember, the next one is the strongest and it is not given to everyone. The third secret number is not just revealed. In fact, many people will never hear about it even if they watch until the end. Because this number only appears when the universe is sure that you are ready for greater responsibility. The energy of this number is heavy, strong, and directly connected to sudden changes in financial flow. It does not come for small movements but for changes in direction. So if you have been feeling for a long time that something is coming but you do not know when that number will be, not everyone should use the third secret. When used with doubt or fear, it will not move. But when you listen to it with respect and clear intention, it becomes like a key. A key that opens a door that has been closed for a long time. In the lottery, the third secret is not just a number on the ticket. It is a message that says that the old cycle is over and a new phase wants to enter your life. Many people have come close to this moment but backed out at the last second because they were afraid of change. If as you listen to this there is a strange weight in your chest or a feeling like this is it, do not ignore it. This may be the moment the universe is looking at you and waiting for your answer. And before we continue, remember this. The next part will teach you how to use the three secrets because if you do it wrong, the connection will be lost. Now that you have heard the three secret numbers, it is important that you understand them. It is not enough to just know the numbers. The real power is in the way you use them. This is where most people make a mistake. They make something spiritual mechanical. Before you use these numbers, stop for a moment. Clear your mind of anger, fear, or intense worry. Many believe that the universe hears intentions more clearly when they are simple and honest. You don't need to ask for too much. Clear is enough. When you make a bet, don't think that I have to win. Instead, tell yourself that you are open to the opportunity that is reserved for you. This mindset is what organizes your energy in the right flow. These numbers should not be rushed, nor should they be repeated without belief. Many Filipinos believe in prayer, gratitude, and silent meditation. You can use this as a preparation ritual. Not to force luck, but to let you know that you are ready to receive. And remember this: when the intention is right, the timing will naturally follow. The universe is not in a hurry, but it also does not make mistakes. Reminder: the universe does not work according to human convenience. It works according to readiness. The numbers you heard are not for play and are not just a test. If you listen to this message and ignore it, do not blame the opportunity for passing. Not all blessings are immediately visible. Some blessings come as a test first, as a weight or as a quiet change within you. So if there is no immediate result, do not think that the universe is not working. Sometimes it fixes things that you cannot see. Do not force luck. Do not chase the result either. True connection is formed when there is trust, patience, and respect in the process. If this blessing is for you, it will come in a way you do not expect. Listen to the signs around you because often miracles begin in silence. If you have reached this part of the video, it is not an accident. It means that there is a message here that is really for you. Now, I want you to do something. Write in the comments the word "ready to receive" as a sign that you are open to the blessings that are in store for you. If there is a number that you feel is stronger, silently say it in your mind. You do not need to explain it to others. The universe knows it well. Also, share this video with someone you feel needs guidance because sometimes you become the signal for others. And if you want to continue receiving messages, signs, and secrets of the universe, subscribe to Universe Secrets. Remember, when you are ready, a message will always come.